So recently, my doctor asked me to eat a mini meal between lunch and dinner. Apparently, my diet had low iron and protein content. So I thought, what should I make that I can, probably store for a few weeks and eat them every day? So I came up with this recipe. I'm going to make chocolate laddus today that are high in protein, use good quality jaggery, so they're absolutely sugar-free. Let's begin. I'm going to use a non-stick pan to make my life absolutely easy. I'm starting with ghee. Use good quality ingredients when you're making laddus. That way you're eating something nutritious. Ghee helps in absorbing all the minerals that are available in your ingredients. Once the ghee has melted, I'm going to add in sattu. Sattu is nothing but roasted chana flour. Now to this, I'm going to add some chopped almonds. I'm roasting my sattu and almond flour together so that it's not a lot of work for me. We'll roast this till it is nice and toasty and smells absolutely aromatic. While roasting, you will notice there are a lot of bubbles that come up. So what's happening right now is that the sattu is absorbing all that ghee and expanding. That's the reason you see all these bubbles. It's also starting to smell a little toasty. The sattu has turned 3 to 4 shades darker. It smells super aromatic and nutty. Now I know that I have to switch off the flame and add this to a heat-proof bowl. Be very careful, the mixture is really hot. Now to this, I'm going to add jaggery powder. It's very easily available in the markets these days. If you can't find it, don't worry, just take a block of jaggery, either chop it or pulse it in your mixer. Next, I'm adding in cocoa powder to get that nice chocolate flavor. To this, I'm going to add a little bit of powdered elaichi to give an Indian touch. Let's talk about the nutritional value of the ingredients in this recipe. Sattu has a lot of protein, so there is my protein content. Jaggery is rich in iron and minerals, so that's my iron content. Ghee helps in absorption of all these good things, so ghee is good for me and also for my skin. Vitamin E is available in the almonds. The almonds also add a lot of crunch to it. And the other ingredients, cocoa powder and elaichi, are there to make these laddus cool. Now it's just a matter of mixing it. That's it, your laddu mixture is ready. Now it's all about turning this into small little laddus. But before you do that, you have to wait for a little while. There's a lot of heat going on in the bowl right now. If you touch this, you will burn yourself. So have patience, wait for 10 minutes and then we'll start making our laddus. So my laddu mixture is cool enough to handle. So I'll start making the laddus now. Always keep a small bowl of ghee next to you so that the mixture doesn't stick to your hands. Apply a little bit to your palms, rub it properly and take small quantities of your mixture and start turning them into laddus. If you cool down the mixture too much, you won't be able to form the laddus. They might crumble. If that happens, don't panic. Just add a little bit of hot ghee to this and you'll be good to go. Mix it properly and start forming your laddus. Another reason your laddus may be cracking is because you have used too many almonds. If you want to use more almonds, chop them more finely so that they can distribute properly and not break your laddus while you're trying to form them. Just in case there's no way that you're able to form laddus, don't worry. I hope it doesn't happen to you, but don't worry. What you can do is let the mixture cool down completely, crumble it up and eat it like sheera. Almost all my laddus are made. I have about 2 laddus worth of mixture left in my bowl. Now the mixture has cooled down a lot. That's why it has become nice and crumbly, and this could happen if you can't handle hot mixture. So here's what you have to do. Try to take a little bit of the mixture in your hand. Don't press it too hard. Just swap it between your hands while turning them into little rocks. Remember not to press them too hard because if you press them too hard, they'll burst. So I have somewhat of an uneven rock shape right here. Now what I'm going to do is hold it between both my palms and just twist it around. If I have enough ghee in my mixture, this will turn into a nice laddu. Do this with a very light hand so that the ghee inside your mixture comes out and coats the laddu from outside. And there you have it. Magically a nice laddu which is not cracking anymore. The best part about these laddus is that they stay fresh for up to 3 weeks in an airtight container. They look ready as of now, but they are not ready to eat yet. These are still a little warm, and if you eat them right now, they'll coat your entire mouth and that won't be enjoyable. So we'll let this cool for 4 hours and then enjoy them. 4 hours are up and our laddus are ready to eat. This is the perfect answer to my 4 p.m. cravings, and it makes me feel super energetic throughout the day. You go and try this recipe out right now and let me know how amazing it is in the comment section below. Until then, goodbye.